If your website is not loading, let's see if the TCP handshake is failing. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can troubleshoot this kind of issue. I have already captured some traffic here, and I have some filter which we could use to filter out the connection that we want to troubleshoot. Let me hit enter. Now that we have narrowed down what we need to do our investigation, let me show you how you can verify the handshake. The first thing we can see here is the SYN, which is where your computer is trying to connect to the HTTPS using port 40. The next thing we see is the SYN acknowledgement, which is where the server responds and accepts the connection. So once you see SYN and then SYN acknowledgement, that means that the connection is working the way it should. Another important thing to check to find out if there is kind of slowness to the network is the time when this communication took place. As you can see here, it is 012219, and then when the acceptance was made was at the same time. So this is like a very minimal difference if there was any. If the difference between when the request was made and when the response came in was huge, say 100 milliseconds for example, then that would be like slowness. Then you could say that that's probably the reason the network was slow. If it is far more than that, say 500 milliseconds, then that means that the issue is serious. But in this case, from what we can see, it's not, there is no any much difference here. So that means that the network is good. When you look at the second communication, you can see it is similar. You can see the SYN and SYN acknowledgement. When you look at the timing, you see it's almost is the same. And so is the last communication. Troubleshooting network related issue, and you want to check the TCP handshake. If you find something as clean as this, it means that the communication is actually good. So you probably need to look elsewhere. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share? Thank you.